If this is your first time in my channel, subscribe, click bell icon to get notification of whenever I upload my videos.
So what's happening with you? My name is Gabriel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your channel discoverable, how to become number one. Whenever they search your channel is going to be the first to open. Now go to what you just need to do. What you need to do, click the icon there, go to my channel. Today I'll show you the Google AdWords. Click the video manager. Yes, click on my channel. Then click on advanced. Follow my steps, don't worry, you're gonna learn. Now you can see there's something showing me here, channel keywords. These are the keywords I wrote in my channel, and this is how your channel is going to be seen. Like now, if you go and search for my channel is already discoverable. There are different tests. As you can see, my channel is appearing second. When I started, my channel did not appear second. Let me say it would have been the last if possible, but I have to put my channel keyword in this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. See you next time on